Welcome back to the Tips and Tricks series. So far, we've covered scheduling, websites, checkouts, CRM, and reporting. In this video, we'll touch on settings and administration, the key areas every Arlo admin should know how to explore. Let's get started. The settings page is the backbone of your platform alongside the dashboard. It's where you configure branding, defaults, permissions, automations, integrations, and so much more. Arlo's settings page is organized into categories so you can quickly find what you need. Use the search bar here at the top right or visit the Help Center for step-by-step articles. Categories on the homepage include platform setup, admins, calendars, and fields, financials for payment methods, invoicing, and vouchers, the website section for integrations, the checkout, categories, and content, courses for templates, task sets, certificates, and webinar integrations, registrations for forms, policies, workflows, marketing for any leads, newsletters, surveys, or consent fields, integrations for our native integrations such as Zoom, Xero, Moodle, Salesforce, or SurveyMonkey, and then advanced for security, tags, webhooks, and to activate our e-learning add-on. Everything in Arlo connects back here. It's your control center for how the system behaves. Let's start now with administrators and user roles. Arlo has multiple role types. Presenter, no platform access, but visible for scheduling. The mobile app and API user, limited to app access or to provide integrations. Read only, these people can view data, run reports, and export, but can't make any edits. And then system administrator, full access, including settings and the mobile app. To add a new admin, jump into Settings, Platform Setup, and Administrators, click New Admin, enter details, and assign roles. Save, and Arlo will send an activation email. Defining roles and permissions keeps your team secure. Now, speaking of emails, let's go have a look at the Platform Setup and Email Branding Settings option. Here you can configure logos, brand colors, and more. These settings flow through to all your automated emails and reinforce your professional identity when communicating with your registrants. You can switch between any of the different email options and see what they'll look like in real time to make sure that you have full confidence that your emails are going to look professional and are branded with your IP. Now, under key settings, you can configure defaults such as company information for contact details, terminology for your courses, such as course, event, or workshop, depending on how you define your course, default invoicing and order settings, currency and tax rules, default terms and conditions. These defaults ensure consistency across your platform and reduce manual corrections later. And that's your overview of Arlo's settings and administration. To recap, roles and permissions keep your team organized and secure. Branding makes your platform instantly recognizable. System defaults ensure consistency across the whole platform. And key settings across finance, website, courses, and integrations shape how your platform runs. See you in the next one. Happy training.